Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to spawn a whole heap of balls from our ball class. Previously what we've done is we've created a ball class here. We've then made an instance of it and then we made it move in our game loop here. I'll just show you again. There you go. Alright, so what does this involve? Adding objects to an array, so adding our class, creating our instance of our class and chucking it into an array, and then we need to use a number random generator so that we can, randomly put it in spots, different spots, and randomly have different speeds for them. So let's do that. All right, so we don't need this single ball anymore. I'm just going to delete that single ball, and what I'll do is I'll make a balls list or array. Balls with an S, because it's going to be, we're going to put a whole heap of balls here. Open close square brackets. Now we want to add balls into here, so we're going to go balls dot append. Let's append a ball. So we want to append one of these balls, and we're going to give it 5 parameters: canvas, x, y, v speed, h speed. Now I need to actually generate these values from a random number generator. So what I'll do is I'll go x equals 2, and I need a random number. So let's go up and import our random function. So I'm just going to go import random. So that's our random, and now we're going to use a random library. So now we're going to use a random number generator. We're going to go random dot random, and x will be 400, between 0 and 500. Y, I want to generate a number between 0 and 500 as well. The thing is, the first part is actually accessing the actual library, and the second one's actual function. So I guess the function name is the same as the library for this particular one, but there's other functions in here. You can go ranInt with like that, but I'm just going to use this one because I want to generate floating points. I want to generate I don't want to generate integers because I want accuracy. And I'll do the same thing for v speed. Random. Now for the v speed, I don't want it to be, I want it to move. So I might just generate it till 2 plus 1. So the lowest number it could be is 1. The highest number could be is 1 plus 2. H speed, same deal here. Times 2 plus 1, and that should be good there. So that would append one ball in here. And what I'll do is I'll just test if that ball works. That will be the first ball. I don't have any other balls, so I'll just go to ball 0 and update it. Ball 0 and then update it, right? Because I've only appended one ball there. Let's run that. Just make sure that works. There you go. So it's right there. All good. Now it's not updating because I forgot to put canvas in here. And remember, the update function requires canvas, so it can do those coordinates update, right? So it doesn't crash either. So it's a good thing about these Python and having an interpreted language. So there you go. They're moving in there, and if I do it again, it should move at a different direction. There you go, and it's in a different position as well. I might reduce the minimum speed to 0.1 because it's moving a bit too fast instead. Alright, so that's good. So what I'm going to do now is I want to generate a whole heap of these. So I need to use a for loop to do this more than once. So I'll write a for loop in. So the for loop is for I in range. Let's generate 10 balls for now. And then we put a colon in here. And then we'll push these. Alright, we'll push these forward because in Python, the scope for scoping, this wants to be inside this, so we need to tab them just like here. That's good. That should generate a whole heap of balls for me. Now I need to update all those balls. So I need to use a for loop here. I've go 4i in range as per usual, 0, 2, but I won't put 10 because I might want to add more balls and I don't want to have to keep changing that number. I'll just go length, which is length of balls. So it will adapt to however many balls is inside balls. And finally, I'll just go balls I, that should be an I, balls I dot update, and I need to put canvas in here, else it won't draw it. That should be good. Let's run that. There you go. So they're the balls generated, and they're moving in different speeds and different angles. Maybe I'm thinking I should put I want it to go in another direction. I might put it as -1. So we'll generate, the lowest number we'll generate is -1. The highest number will be this plus this, which is 1. So it should be able to, I just want to go different directions. There we go. That's a lot better there. I like that. All right, no worries. Okay, so we've generated a whole heap of balls. We generate 10. Let's generate more than that. Let's run that. Let's generate 100. And there you go. All right, what's the time? 6 minutes. I'll end here. So I'll see you in the next video.